This animation is inspired by the work of Nawaz Alamgir. Hello to all and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will discuss the stretch and collapse animation effects of PowerPoint, and how a text animation can be created by using the combination of both effects. So, here we have this presentation containing 4 slides. You can open the animation pane from the Animations tab. And here the green star indicates that the stretch is an entrance effect, and the collapse is an exit effect. And you can find both under Add Animation drop-down menu. Before continuing, I would suggest watching our tutorial on how to convert text into shapes and what are the benefits of doing that. The link to that video is given in the cards and in the description below. Let's start with a new blank presentation with blank layout. And then type the text by inserting WordArt from the Insert tab. You can apply the stretch and collapse effect on these WordArt text boxes, but if you look into our presentation, then you can notice that the width of both of the lines is equal. The first line contains 7 characters, and the second line is only having 5 characters. You cannot accomplish this only by adjusting the font size alone, because when you increase the font size, then both the height and width get increased. And if there is a difference in the number of characters between the lines, then the font size will not match. That is why we need to convert our text into shapes, so we may adjust their sizes freely as required. So, draw a rectangle shape from the Insert tab on top of the text. And then send it behind the text from the Shape Format tab. Select the rectangle shape first, hold down the Shift key and then select the text. From the Shape Format, click the Merge Shapes drop-down button and choose the Intersect command. You now have your text converted into a shape, and you can adjust its height and width separately. Once you have your text ready, it's time to animate. Select the text, which now is a shape, and then apply the stretch entrance effect. And then from the Effect Options menu, select the direction you want to apply. The default is across, and I would like to go with from left. Now we will apply the Collapse Exit effect to the second text line. And we'll apply the direction to the right from the Effect Options menu. Set both the effects to start with previous with a time duration of half a second. To create the reverse effect, now I will apply the stretch entrance effect to the second text line with the left direction. And the collapse exit effect to the first line with the right direction. See the slideshow and there you have it. Make a few duplicates either by using the copy and paste command or dragging and dropping both the shapes while holding the Control key. Now the only thing you need to do is to add a delay timing between these effects, and it is totally up to you how much delay you want to add between each line effect. You can download our presentation from the link in the video description, and if you start looking into the effect in the animation pane from the bottom, then you can notice that each set is having a delay of 0.10 seconds. You can easily change the direction of all the effects at once by first selecting the entrance effects from the animation pane while holding the Control key, and then changing the direction from effect options. Do the same for all the exit effects. See the slideshow, and there you have a nice stretching and collapse text animation effect. So, I hope you will like the idea and the tutorial. Let me know by liking, sharing, and commenting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye and have a wonderful weekend.